The steadily changing crypto scene can make it trying and mistaking for new financial backers to enter the market and bet on the best coins. While Bitcoin and Ethereum keep on being the top-level crypto coins, they are out of the compass of another financial backer. In this way, they would need to zero in on different crypto coins with a lower cost. The most basic thing with regards to putting resources into crypto coins is to distinguish the best ones that can possibly fill from here on out. In the wake of distinguishing those crypto coins, you want to lead broad examination and do a specialized investigation to know the decision about whether to put resources into them. Since Ethereum and Bitcoin have a higher worth, you really want to find a crypto coin that has a lower cost, like Dogelon Mars. This crypto coin has turned into a top decision for individuals who are enthusiasts of Dogecoin and Elon Musk. According to a venture perspective, it can see an ascent before long. We will examine the conceivable worth of the crypto coin in the following couple of years, give you a total value examination, and give you a standpoint so you can choose whether or not to put resources into the Dogelon Mars ELON. Dogelon Mars outline. Dogelon Mars is an image coin that entered the market after the bull run of the Doge all through 2021. The name Dogelon Mars is a recognition for Elon Musk, a Doge fan. An essential component that stresses numerous financial backers is that the Dogelon Mars doesn't have a white paper. The cost of Dogelon Mars is at present at $3.30 E7 US dollars, down 6.63% from its past exchanging volume of $4,035,347. At present, it is positioned number 127 on the coin market cap, and it has a live market cap of $182,139,698. Its circling supply is 551-465-789-124-062 ELON coins, and it has a greatest stock of 1,000,000,000,000,000 ELON coins. On October 30, 2021, Dogecoin Mars arrived at its untouched high of $0. The coin's ongoing inventory is 548 trillion, which is more than its whole stock of 1 quadrillion. Indeed, even with the high volume of Dogelon Mars, it would be difficult for it to accomplish a worth of 1 cent. The most compelling thing worried for some financial backers is that Dogelon Mars has no guide for the present. Dissimilar to numerous different monetary forms, it doesn't offer an unmistakable possibility to its financial backers with respect to its use. Thusly, numerous financial backers have doubts about putting resources into this coin. By and by, the coin has been exchanged for over a year. The cost of the Dogelon Mars coin has seen variances over the course of the past year, offering financial backers chances to purchase low and sell high. Thus, this crypto coin merits watching out for in the following couple of years. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2023 specialists have blended conclusions about the crypto market in 2023. Most trust that in the event that the negative pattern go on all through 2023, it will keep on coming down on different coins. Regardless, there is a decent opportunity that the market will bounce back, and it will assist Dogelon Mars with restoring its worth. We have examined forecasts from numerous calculation-based devices and reasoned that the normal exchanging cost could remain around $0 2023. Assuming the financial backers gain trust on the lookout, the Dogelon Mars coin's worth can arrive at the greatest degree of $0. On the other side, the coin's worth can arrive at any rate level of $0 the off chance that the market keeps on seeing a negative pattern. Financial backers should remain cautious and intently watch the changing elements to trade the Dogelon Mars with perfect timing. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2024 organizations and designers are constantly attempting to concoct different new ventures on blockchain innovation. We saw a fast development in the worth of crypto coins after the send-off of NFTs. Hence, new ventures can influence the cost of coins like Dogelon Mars. Notwithstanding, these are hypotheses and projections from different specialists. There is no substantial technique that can assist with anticipating the Dogelon Mars coin's worth later on. As indicated by our investigation of different expectations devices, we anticipate the typical exchanging cost for this coin would be near $0 through 2024. The Dogelon Mars coin's cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, though it can remain at the negligible degree of $0. The most imperative thing financial backers need to recall is distinguishing the perfect opportunity to trade a specific time. Distinguishing the perfect opportunity to trade the coin is basic to put resources into the short run. You can purchase the crypto coin at a lower cost and sell it at a greater cost. Preferably, contributing for a drawn-out period is better since it can assist you with yielding great returns and save you from incessant cost vacillation. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. While the Dogelon Mars is an image coin, numerous specialists accept it can see an ascent in esteem in the following couple of years. In the event that it can catch the financial backer's eye, it can arrive at a greatest degree of $0 2025. The coin will remain at a typical cost of $0 through 2025. The anticipated ELON cost for Dogelon Mars is around $0. It is normal to arrive at a high of $0 the finish of 2025, which is essentially high contrasted with the ongoing cost. Given its drawn-out potential, the ELON cost expectation for Dogelon Mars is exceptionally encouraging. Dogelon Mars long-haul conjecture 2030. Since there are no presentation measurements or budget summaries to assessing the coin's incentive for 2030 becomes troublesome. In any case, you can find out about the conceivable worth of the Dogelon Mars in 2030 by assessing projections from different cost forecast apparatuses. Cost expectations for Dogelon Mars demonstrate that it will begin at $0, and an increment is normal sooner rather than later. Notwithstanding, because of its inflationary nature, it has a lot of hazard. Just cryptographic money fans can exploit this coin, and it must be exchanged for a brief time frame. The base ELON value that is supposed to be reached in 2026 is $0. The value developments of Dogelon Mars can be credited to the different variables that influence its worth, for example, virtual entertainment, publicity, and declaration. History has shown that when images gain boundless consideration, they can give financial backers returns. The expectation of the Dogelon Mars ELON cost for 2030 is exceptionally encouraging. It is normal to arrive at a high of $0 turned into a beneficial speculation. As shown in our 2030 cost expectation, the typical conjecture is around $0, with a limit of $0 Dogelon Mars. Given its drawn-out potential, the ELON cost expectation for Dogelon Mars is exceptionally encouraging. Dogelon Mars cost examination. While the greater part of the coins in the crypto market saw a monstrous expansion in esteem in 2021, the case has been the inverse for 2023. In the wake of arriving at an untouched high in November 2021, the crypto market capitalization fell by 60% in the following 6 to 7 months. Numerous crypto coins saw an uncommon fall in their worth all through the initial half year, including Dogelon Mars. The crypto coin was exchanging at $0 the beginning of this current year and tumbled to $0 7-day stretch of July. Dogelon Mars 2022. The interest for Dogelon Mars was driven by the conviction that its connection would prompt critical cost increments for ELON. Elon Musk was one of the primary factors that added to Dogecoin's prosperity. Musk every now and again referenced Doge throughout his public appearances. In October 2022, following Musk's $44 billion obtaining of Twitter, ELON and different images spiked in cost. A few financial backers accepted that these coins could be utilized for membership benefits or tipping. Different images, for example, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, likewise acquired far and wide consideration. Since no explanation has been made with respect to the connection among Doge and ELON, the cost of Dogecoin has begun to relapse through November. In the event that the Dogelon Mars people group gets the amazing chance to get the task referenced by noticeable people, for example, Musk, it could assist with supporting the ELON cost. Assuming this situation works out, the Dogelon Mars value expectation would show that the token would come to the $0 by 2023. Nonetheless, because of the continuous crypto winter and the negative opinion on the lookout, ELON may as yet fall further.